Hi, it's Karen, and I'm demonstrating a technique using both the blends and the pencil crayons, and it's easier to show it rather than put it into words, so that's what I've done. The Moody magnolia flower, and I've stamped it in Memento ink because it's works with the blends much better than regular ink, although if you use the regular ink and let it dry, you probably will be okay. So anyways, I've got that stamped, and I'm going to use the Petunia Pop, which is a new ink color, and I'm going to start by using the bullet end and just coloring in the areas that I want. Now, it's always a good idea to leave some white on your image, and it's really great because the artists have put the shading in here for you, so you shouldn't have a hard time doing the shading. I'm only going to do a portion of this because it's it would take me longer than to explain it in words. The blends are just wonderful. So I'll do another petal. So we're still working on the petals. And you can see where this shading is, this line here. And that's the where the artists have put the dark, because that tip of that leaf is falling over the tip of the blossom is falling over on the other one, so you would have darker edge in there. So I'm going to move on now to the dark. This is the light that I've been using, and so we'll go in here where the shading is, and here on the petal. And here on this petal. Now I'm going to go back over it with the light. Now I'm going to use the color lifter, which is a white blend, and what it does is it doesn't lift the color, but it moves around the, if I can find one, you wouldn't believe the mess I have in here, but I'm not showing you. So again, I'm taking the narrow end, and I'm just going to put some shading in here. Now this is the watercolor pencil. This is Melon Mambo. So what you do is you just take it again to the places that are really dark, and you just add more pencil. Making sure you get the shading. So you can really start to see that melon mambo come out through the dark areas here to give it a little bit more definition. I'm just going around the outside. So this is just another way that you can use your tools. You can use the watercolor pencils with water and use a blender brush, which has a solution in it to spread the color around. Or you can do it this way, or you can paint it with a water brush. So then you can also do this. Take your blender brush and go over the dark areas and excuse me, and brush them out. So I hope you'll give this technique a try. It is, and here's the one that I did previously on the Moody Magnolia. I keep forgetting what it's called. And I'm really quite pleased with this. So I hope you will give it a try. Let it dry a bit. And as it dries, the colors will come together a little bit more. So I'm just going to finish this up. And you do the same with the leaves. This is light shy shamrock. That's easy enough to say, right? Again, I'm just going to draw lines in here. Do one here. And again, the petal here is showing it's underneath the leaf is underneath the petal. So it would be darker in that area than it would be for the rest of the leaf. So I'm just going to go now with the dark shy shamrock. Say that 10 times. Then I'm going to use the garden green pencil to darken in some of these areas. So I hope you've enjoyed this little video and you'll give this one a try. Thank you, and please leave a comment on my blog. I wonder what you think about this technique. Talk to you later. Bye.